Meaning of dolly bird.
Dolly bird.
Dolly bird.
Dolly bird.
Dolly bird. Dolly bird is a slang term that originated in the UK in the 1960s and was commonly used to describe an attractive and fashionable young woman. The term is often associated with the swinging London era and the mod subculture. It connotes a sense of youthfulness, innocence, and a somewhat superficial preoccupation with appearance. While the term is not as commonly used today, it still represents a specific cultural moment in history, and its use can evoke images of retro fashion and pop culture.